Trust me, I know exactly what I'm doing. Nobody opens doors like Mike Johnson. Okay, everything is ready for our trip.
Mike, is that my yoga mat under the spare tire?
It's not under the tire, it is the tire now.
Dad, that's not how packing works.
Tom, packing is an art, and I am a terrible artist.
Dad, can I bring my snacks in the cooler?
Only if you share them this time.
Just get in the car. We're going to be late.
Late? Mike Johnson is never late. Mike Johnson is fashionably early, but slow.
Whoa! This hotel is huge!
It's beautiful. Look at that chandelier.
Look at that comfy sofa. I'm taking a nap right here.
Mike, we just got here.
Exactly. The perfect time for a nap. Hello. We have a reservation. Last name? Johnson.
Welcome, Mr. Johnson. Let me check. Yes, here it is, room 305.
Great. Is the room nice?
It's one of our best rooms.
See? I told you. Best room, best dad.
Here are your key cards. The elevator is over there.
Thank you so much.
Can I hold the key card, please?
Sure, buddy. Don't lose it.
I won't. I'm very responsible.
Tom.
I caught it. That counts as responsible.
Let's go, before he drops it. Was that normal?
Yes, Mike.
It does that every time, Dad.
Every time?
I want to open the door!
Relax, son. Opening doors is a dad skill. You'll learn someday.
Dad, it's a key card. You just tap it.
Exactly. And nobody taps like me. And now, watch the master.
Please just open the door, Mike.
Huh? Huh? Okay. Nobody panic. We just saw some very serious men.
Mike, are you shaking?
No! That's just my dad reflexes activating.
Dad, were those guys scary?
Tom, those guys looked like they could star in a movie called Don't Ask Questions.
Dad, you screamed louder than me.
That was a strategic scream. To scare them.
I'm so sorry. We didn't mean to scare you.
No, we are sorry. We opened your door.
Please, it's okay. These things happen. I'm sorry, I'm so sorry.
And I'm sorry too. Sorry.
Why are we all apologizing? Nobody did anything wrong.
I don't know. It's just very polite chaos.
I'm sorry I was scared of you for no reason. Honestly, fair enough. Excuse me, we just met a very interesting family in room 305.
Oh no! Let me check the system. I am so sorry. We gave you the wrong key card. That family is in room 305. Your room is actually 405.
Oh, that makes much more sense.
So they're not dangerous?
Mr. Rossi? He's a baker. He makes wedding cakes.
A baker? He looked like he makes offers people can't refuse.
Here is your correct key for room 405. And I'm very sorry for the trouble. Thank you so much. That's very kind. Because of the mistake, I'd like to give your family a free breakfast voucher for all 3 of you every morning.
Free breakfast?
Yes! Free pancakes? Now that's the kind of wrong room I can get used to.
Thank you so much. That's very kind. You're welcome. Room 405, 4th floor. I promise, no scary men this time.
Are you sure? Because I was just getting used to my new mafia friends.
Dad, you screamed louder than me.
That was a strategic scream to scare them.
Sure, honey. Let's go find our real room.
Best vacation ever.
We haven't even seen the room yet, Dad.
Tom, we have vouchers. We have already won.
Good morning, Tom. Did you sleep well? My robot is broken. It does not move. It does not make any sounds. I think it is dead.
Oh no. That is your favorite toy.
Yes. Can we fix it, Mom?
It's okay, sweetie. Don't worry, we'll fix him together.
Daddy! My robot is broken.
Let me see. I think the batteries are empty.
Oh.
Batteries? What are batteries?
Batteries give energy to the robot. When batteries are empty, the robot stops working.
Oh, so I need new batteries?
Yes, we can buy some at the store.
Yay! Let's go now.
Wait, first, you need to do your chores.
Tom, today is Saturday. You have 3 jobs.
3? That is a lot.
Number 1, clean your room. Number 2, feed the dog. Number 3, help Emma with her toys.
Okay, but that will take a long time.
If you finish quickly, we can go to the store before lunch.
Before lunch? Okay, I will be very fast. Wow, my room is very messy. Tom, your room is so dirty. I know. Can you help me, Emma?
Okay. I will put the books on the shelf.
Great! Now the room is clean and tidy.
Yes, it is. Yes!
Hey, Max. Good morning. Max, are you hungry? Woof, 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 woof. Okay, here is your food. And here is your water. Good boy, Max. Done. 2 chores finished. 1 more to go. Tom, I cannot find my teddy bear. Don't cry, Emma. Let's look together. It is not under the bed. It is not on the chair. Wait, I can see something. You can? Yes, look behind the door. All done. 3 chores. Finished.
Hooray!
Dad, where are the batteries?
They are in aisle 3. Let's look.
Here they are. Which ones do we need?
We need 2 AA batteries. The robot uses 2.
How much do they cost?
They cost $2. That is not expensive.
Can I carry them?
Of course. All right, time for batteries.
Yay! They're here. I got the batteries, Mike. Okay, the new batteries are inside. Now, let's turn it on. The robot is lighting up. It works. Look, it is moving. It is alive. Well done, Tom. You did all your chores and you saved your robot.
Thank you, Mom and Dad. Now I know, Had. If I do my jobs first, good things happen.
That is a very good lesson, son.
I'm bored. There is nothing to do. Me too. Let's play a game. No, I don't want to play a game. I want to explore. Explore? Explore what? We live in a small house. Look, what is that door? I never see it before. Look. Look down here. Wow, you are right. This door is very old. I don't know this door. Let's open it. Wait, we do not know what is inside. Let us ask Mom or Dad first. Mom! There is a secret door in the hallway. A secret door? Where? Behind the big bookshelf. Do you know it, Mom?
That door. Yes, I know that door. But I don't know what is inside. It is always locked.
Oh. Always locked? Who has the key?
I think your grandfather. Let's ask Dad. He knows more about this house.
Dad, we found a secret door behind the bookshelf.
The secret door? Oh my. I forgot about that door.
You forgot? How? Why is it secret?
This house is very old. My grandfather built this house many years ago.
What did he do in that room?
Nobody knows. He never talked about it. But I think I know where the key is. Let's go. All right, let's look in here.
Are you sure about this, Mike?
Yes, I know exactly where it is. Look, this is the key. It is very old. I kept it here for many years, but I never used it.
Can we open the door now? Please, Dad.
Yes, please.
Yes. Let's go. Let's open the secret room together.
I'm excited. And a little scared. Me too. Come on, everyone.
Let's go.
It is so dark in there. Oh my.
It's a secret world.
Oh wow. These are beautiful.